In the spirit of the holiday season, I have on my ugly sweater rocking Son Goku from Dragon Ball Z. Watch out, I may just drop a Kamehameha wave. But today we are building an all-white gaming PC courtesy of Asus and Patriot. Thank you both for sending over all the parts used in today's video. And also, in addition to the holiday season, when I was building the PC and I got to the power supply section, I opened up the power supply box and found a 20% discount code to Cablemod. So if that interests you, I will be showing that code on the screen later in this video, and the first person to see it and claim it, hey, you're welcome. Let me know in the comment section below if that is you. Now, without any further ado, let's start breaking down the parts used in today's video. First of all, if we're doing an all-white PC, we have to do an all-white case, and that is where the Asus TUF Gaming GT302 ARGB comes in for today's video. I literally just released a full video dedicated to this case, breaking it down all the way around yesterday, and so far it's not performing so hot, so if you can go check it out, hit the like button, I would really appreciate it. But if you want to know more about the case, I have a full video on it. Next up, let's talk about the motherboard, and we are rocking with an AMD chipset this time around. We have the Asus ROG Strix X870-A gaming Wi-Fi motherboard, and this motherboard is absolutely gorgeous. And for the CPU, we are using the AMD Ryzen 7700X. Nothing too fancy here, 8 cores, 16 threads. It definitely gets the job done. Now for our CPU cooler, we are using an AIO. This is the Asus ROG Strix LC3360 ARGB. Now for our storage, we're using a 2TB Gen 4 M.2 from Patriot Viper Gaming, and this particular model is the VP4300. And for our RAM, again, coming in from Patriot, we have the Viper Elite 5 RGB DDR5. It is a 32GB kit, 2x16, and this particular kit is a 7000 MT kit. And for the power supply, we have the ROG Strix 1000 watt Aura White Edition. And finally, for our GPU, we have the Nvidia RTX 4070 Super, and this particular model is the Asus Dual 4070 Super Evo model. It is an all-white model, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to show some B-roll from my PC building experience, and along the way, I'll talk about some of the features of each one of these components to help you better understand why the case is cool or why the motherboard is cool, etc. And then, of course, we're going to finish up with the all-white PC build, and there will be a bunch of B-roll for that. And hey, look, if you enjoy these types of videos, please do me a favor, hit that like button because it really goes a long way in helping me out. And if you're new, please consider getting subscribed. I would love to have you as part of the community. Now, first, I'm a man of my word, so here is that 20% off discount code that I promised you earlier in the video for Cablemod. So whoever the first person is that actually sees this and redeems it, let me know in the comment section below if that is you, because I'm curious who you are. As mentioned before, I have a full dedicated review video on the case, but the GT302 has a couple of cool features, and my favorite feature is the fact that the entire top is completely removable, making for a very easy PC building experience. The front panel and the back panel are interchangeable. Now, one thing I forgot to mention in my dedicated review for the GT302 is the fact that all the dust filters are PET dust filters, and what this means is that you have higher porosity, higher concentration of airflow, and overall longer durability. Some other cases on the market may use different types of filters such as PVC or nylon, but those filters do not share these same benefits. And it supports back connect motherboards. Now, speaking of motherboards, what is really cool about the ROG Strix X870-A gaming Wi-Fi is the fact that number one, it is all white and absolutely gorgeous. And number two, it has 4 M.2 slots, and 2 of those are Gen 5 M.2 slots. It also has 4 DIMM slots supporting up to 8,000 plus MTs on DDR5 memory. And finally, it also has support for Wi-Fi 7. And Asus offers this really cool Wi-Fi antenna called the Q antenna. It simply snaps on and snaps off. It's incredibly simple to connect, and also the base is magnetic, so it will stick to your PC case. And as for the CPU, again, I don't really have too much to add here, just the 7700X, 8 cores, 16 threads, and it has a boost clock up to 5.4 gigahertz with a default TDP of 105 watts. Now, as for the DDR5 memory from Patriot, I've already talked about the general specifications of this kit. However, one cool thing to note here is that Asus does work very closely with Patriot, and Patriot's RGB lighting is compatible with Asus's Armory Crate software, so you can very easily control the RGB with no problems at all. Again, as mentioned before, this kit is rated for 7000 MTs, and I was able to simply enable that in the BIOS, and everything booted and ran with 0 zero issues. And as for the CPU cooler, again, it's an all-white CPU cooler. It's the ROG Strix LC3 360 ARGB. And now what's really cool about this AIO is the fact that it is using Asetek pump technology, and this is the 7th V2 Gen pump. Additionally, this AIO is compatible with both Intel and AMD sockets. That includes the Intel LGA 1700 socket and the AMD AM4 and AM5 socket. The LC3 360 also offers a magnetically attached pump cover, therefore making it incredibly easy to install and rotate that pump cover to your preferred angle. This AIO also comes pre-applied with thermal paste, and there are 3 120mm ARGB fans in the box. They are not pre-installed, however, so you will have to install those yourself. Asus is offering a protective film or some type of plastic shielding over the radiator out of the box, and I personally love this because I have purchased many AIOs where I open the AIO and out of the box the radiator has a dent or a scratch or something like that, so this protective plastic is very much appreciated. Next up is the power supply, also known as the PSU. Again, this is a 1000 watt power supply. It offers an aluminum case. It is 80+ gold certified. It has a 10-year warranty, and it is ATX 3.0 compatible, which means it offers every cable you need, and that includes that dedicated 16-pin cable that Nvidia requires for their RTX 40 series GPUs. And speaking of cables, you love to see it, all the cables are white, which will go perfectly with our all-white PC build. And finally, if you have a case that allows you to see your PSU, this power supply also offers customizable RGB lighting. And finally, we have the GPU, which is the Nvidia RTX 4070 Super. Again, this is the Asus dual RTX 4070 Super Evo model. And what's really cool about this GPU is the fact that it is truly an all-white model. There are not many all-white GPUs to begin with, but there are even less 4070 Supers that are truly all-white. This GPU is absolutely gorgeous, and it will pair perfectly with all the other components for today's PC build. Additionally, this GPU model only has a dual fan design, so it is on the smaller side, and it is meant to go in a wider range of different cases, so you can definitely go on the smaller side of a PC build if you wanted to with this model. And finally, it does offer a dual BIOS, and so you do have a default mode which clocks in around 2520 megahertz, and an overclock mode which clocks in at 2550 megahertz. And of course, it is an Nvidia GPU, so you're still getting all the other technologies that Nvidia offers, such as ray tracing, DLSS 3, and frame generation. And finally, when we put it all together, it looks like this. Now, this video was supposed to come out on Christmas Day, and obviously I failed to meet that deadline, and I feel bad about that, but instead I ended up filming it and editing it on Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and a little bit afterwards as well. So if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by doing some type of positive engagement for the algorithm. A like, a comment, subscribing, anything like that would be very much appreciated. Now, my voice is starting to go out, so I'm gonna wrap this up, but overall, I had a really good time making this video. Massive shout out to Asus and Patriot for providing all the parts used in today's video. A shout out to my friend Jacob for actually creating all the music for today's video. His information will be down below in the video description, so if you're looking for somebody to help make music for your project, feel free to contact him. He does a great job. I highly recommend him. And with all that being said, thank you so much for being a subscriber, a viewer, and I really do appreciate it. I hope everybody has a safe and fun holiday all the way around, and we'll see you in the new year. Until next time, E-Rock out.